Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm really excited because I have my American Influencers Beauty Bundle. If you don't know, this is a $34 every other month subscription, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products that are curated by a special like brand or influencer or just, you know, I guess beauty business owner, I guess maybe you'd say. But let's go ahead and get it opened. See what we got this month. So every month you get a card and it tells you who the influencer is. Or I guess I'm trying to think of what you would call it. I don't know, the collaborator? Yeah, I think it'd be like the collaborator for the box. So it looks like this month this is an ambassador, Rija Imran from Bella Pure Cosmetics. It says, I'm so excited to introduce AIA's next beauty bundle in collaboration with Bella Pure Cosmetics. Okay, so it is a collaboration. The products in this bundle include all of my favorites I've been obsessed with. This collection can fit every look, soft and glam. Okay, so on the back it tells you what you get, and then it has the prices. So the first thing I'm going to show is, it looks like a lipstick. Yeah, a matte lipstick in Incognito. So here's the packaging. And there's the shade. There's a little swatch. It's this pretty nude. And there it is swatched. It feels really like buttery. I can't put it on because I already have some on my lips, but there's that. That is the mineral lipstick. Richly pigmented lipsticks formulated with nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba. Lasts for hours and retails for $20. Next in here we have a banana setting powder. And this is in the shade medium, so I probably won't be able to use this, but it looks like a nice powder. It's a color correcting setting powder that has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration. Ideal for setting under eye makeup, spot correcting, or even used as a base eyeshadow. Tip, also great for baking your makeup. Okay. So I wish this was in lighter, but you know, it's okay. And it retails for $35. Next, we have a mini Kabuki brush. Probably goes with the setting powder. Bestseller alert. This super soft, dense brush distributes product evenly and quickly, making it a staple for any mineral makeup routine. It can also be used with powder or to blend face makeup for a more natural look. And it's a cruelty-free brush. And it retails for $20. Sorry, I was playing with it the whole time because it's so soft. I don't have any like small brushes like this, but I mean, it'd be nice. I feel like I have way too much blush on, so maybe this will like get rid of some of it. Okay, next we have a twist up brow pencil in the shade Cocoa. It's ultra slim, retractable brow pencil, allows for maximum precision when filling in sparse brows. Oil-free formulation delivers smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural. And this retails for $20. So it's got a spoolie at one end, and then it's really small. So the only bad thing about this is It's a brown, and it might not work for everybody. Get it to... There's a swatch. I actually am wearing it on my brows right now. It works for me, but I guess I got lucky. Because I don't think this is the kind of shade that would work for everyone, unfortunately. So I kind of hate when they put a product in there like that, but not everybody could use. Kind of like the setting powder. Since it's in medium, I probably won't be able to use it because my skin's a little bit too light. Okay, but next we have the Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette. It's 35 colors. Here's what it looks like. It has a really big mirror. I used it for this look that I have, so there's a little bit of fallout on it. But I think that it worked well. It blended nice, and I used to use this blue shade here, and then this foil shade for the middle. And that's how it turned out. So, you know, I mean, I've only used 2 shades, but they seem to be really good. And it's a really huge palette. It's, you know, 35 shades is really nice. Okay, it says 35 buttery smooth color eyeshadow palette with a range of matte, satin, shimmer, and foil shadows. It retails for $50. I mean, I could see that. Just because of how many shades. I'll show you again. I mean, it's just so many. And really pretty. Okay, but that's what we got. I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you consider subscribing or liking this video. Anything helps. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!